3 things that men find attractive in women. There are universal qualities that fascinate everyone. Alright, let's cut to the chase. If you like that boy and you have no idea what to do for him to notice you, chase you, harass you, melt him, and do everything for you, because, admit it, you're a coward and do not want to see yourself in need, then you should watch this list. These are the 3 things you must do to have him chase you. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. One that you demonstrate a full and exciting life. Seriously, men love to chase and commit to a woman who has a passionate life, who exalts them and keeps them with a great adrenaline rush. Any woman can attract them physically and we will want to be with her in a bed, but a quality woman, that we all persecute incessantly, is the one who works on herself and builds the life she loves, instead of focusing on how she looks or how men perceive it. Who radiates confidence, security, and a man knows how lucky he is to meet someone like that. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. 2. That she does not stop being single. No, it's not crazy what I'm saying. We are like that, we do not like easy, simple, and boring things. Men know instinctively that women who are hard to come by in life are exactly the ones worth pursuing. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. 3. That she does not give us benefits of boyfriends if we are not. Contrary to popular beliefs, we love having a relationship, having a partner. We love someone who comforts us after a bad day. We love security. It's the comfort of having emotional support, like our girlfriend, when we need her. These are the real benefits of being in a relationship. Security. Privacy. Comfort. And both men and women know it. Please let us know your opinions in the comments section below. Source: http://www.upsocl.com. To learn more about 3 things that men find attractive in women, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below.